Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I am making an antioxidant-rich Moringa green superfood smoothie. I'm sure that you've heard of antioxidants before and know that they are essential for health and maintenance of the body. Antioxidants are basically like scavengers that travel around the body and act against free radicals. Free radicals are basically the kind of toxic stuff, the rubbish that happens when we eat less than healthy foods. It can also happen just from our environment, from pollutants in the environment. It's amazing the amount of free radicals that we have in our bodies when we're making less than healthy choices. So antioxidants basically help to combat against that. If we have too many free radicals in our body, it really contributes towards pretty much all of the major chronic diseases, inflammation that are there. So we definitely want to be making sure that we're infusing on a daily basis a really healthy amount of antioxidants within our body. Now this smoothie contains moringa, and what I really love about moringa is that it has 46 known antioxidants and a whole bunch of other nutritious benefits to it. And then I'm also going to pop a bit of ginger in. I'm going to pop some delicious fruits and also some extra greens so that you've got a nice rich plethora of healthy plant-based deliciousness. In this recipe I am using Pura Vida Moringa powder. I just want to give a shout out to these guys and a thank you for sponsoring this video and making it possible. I love the fact that they're an ethical company. They support fair trade practices and they offer a 100% organic product with the leaves of the moringa grown in the foothills of some Nicaraguan volcano. So please do go check them out. And now let's go make this delicious smoothie. So in this recipe, I'd like it to inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. I'm using moringa powder, whole hemp seeds, ginger, bananas, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, and spinach leaves to create a delicious medley of antioxidants, a powerhouse of nutrients to really keep you going. So I want to pop 2 bananas into the smoothie first of all, and then water, and then blend this up. A few seconds will do nicely. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of highly nutritious hemp seeds. The unique thing about hemp seeds is it contains all the essential amino acids, which are important building blocks for protein. A tablespoon of Pura Vida moringa leaf powder, which also happens to contain all the essential amino acids. So people go on about protein and plants. Moringa and hemp seeds provide all the amino acids in quite a balanced way that you need for human health. And that is essential for building protein within your body. And then I'm going to add a little bit of fresh ginger, which is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. And I'm just going to snap about 1 centimetre squared off. And then give that another whiz. If you've got a high power blender, that's going to happen much quicker. If you have got a less powerful blender, it's absolutely fine. Just give it a bit longer. And then I want to add a nice big handful of organic baby spinach. Give it a blend. And to be honest, that will be really nice and delicious, just like that. But today I want to thicken it up. So I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple and about 2/3 cup of frozen mango, and then blend it all up. When you're happy that everything's blended in nicely, we're ready to go. Yeah, delicious. Yum. Yum. So it's nice, thick, vibrant, and it is just absolutely loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that if you just have on a regular daily basis are going to really help with maintenance of health in so many different ways. So I do hope that this inspires you to try this antioxidant-rich Moringa green superfood smoothie. And a big thank you to Pura Vida Moringa powder for supporting this video. Please do go check them out at moringapowder.com. My name is Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net. Please come and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest. Comment below, let me know how you get on. Feel free to ask any questions, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.